Happy morning, students. Welcome to our 11th standard English class. I hope that you are all fine and safe at home. Today, I am going to teach you a very interesting lesson, which is the short story. And it's the part of 11th standard Unit 1, Supplementary 1. The title of the story is After 20 Years, which is written by O. Henry. His real name, William Sidney Porter. Now let's see about the author. Our author O. Henry is the world famous story writer, the true short story writer. He belongs to America, as well as definitely there will be a pleasant twist at the end of the story. This story is also having delightful surprise at the end of the story. He has written 381 short story. Some of his popular short stories are The Gift of Magi, The Cop and the Atom, The Third Ingredient, The Ransom of Red Sheep, A Retrieved Reformation. Now let's move on to the story. This story is about two best friends. They grown up together. Later they had to part ways because they had to save something for their future. They had to earn money, so they had to part their ways. That time they made an agreement. From that time, after 20 years, they have to come back to the same place. That's the little introduction of the story. Now let's see the story. The story is set up in New York. The story starts like this. In the night time, dark roads of New York, a patrolman is walking Avenue of New York. Patrolman means policeman. The scene opens like this. A patrolman is moving on nightly rounds. So he is walking very impressively. He walks with a club in his hands. Club means lathi. With the club, he is just moving in the avenue. It is the night time. The time is around 10 o'clock. It is the winter season. So the people are hoarsely shutting down their shop. And the other people are moving towards their home quickly because the winter winds are so chill. The policeman could see only the light of cigar store. We know it's common the culture of America, isn't it? So he could see the light of cigar store, and as well as he could see the light of all night lunch counter. As well as this policeman is very watchful. He is answering the peace of people by twirling his club. He is footforthing his brisk walk. So he seems to be a perfect guardian angel of that night. He walked quickly. Suddenly he slows down. Why he slows down? Because he saw a man who is leaning behind the closed doors of a hardware store. He is just leaning. He is having unlighted cigar in his mouth. If you happen to go in the night around the street, if you happen to see the policeman, they will definitely inquire, who are you? Why are you coming here? Like this. He is supposed to inquire that person. But before that, the waiting man started to speak him. Waiting man, can you guess who's that? Yes, the man, it is one of the two best friends. The waiting man is saying, it's alright, officer, there will be no problem here. I am just waiting here to meet my old friend. It seems too funny to you. It was an appointment that was kept 20 years ago, and I'll explain you all about it. He is continued. This is the place where I met my old friend before 20 years. That time it was actually a restaurant. The restaurant name is Big Joe Brady Restaurant. While the waiting man was talking, lighting his cigar, the light of matchstick, the policeman could clearly see his face. He had a square jawed face with keen eyes, and also he had got a white scar near his right eyebrow, and he had got a large diamond in his coffin. The picture of the coffin, you can see it here. But that diamond doesn't suit him. Then the waiting man continues speaking. 20 years ago, sir, I dined here Big Joe Brady's with my truest chop in the world. He is the finest friend that I'm got. I and Jimmy Wells were like two brothers grown in the New York City. I was 18 years old and Jimmy was 20 years old. The next morning of the timing, we had to part ways because I have planned to go to West for earning money. So that night we made an agreement. That is, after 20 years from the same time, we should meet again in the same place. The policeman says, "It is very interesting to hear." Then he also asks, "It quite a long time. Haven't you both met after that?" The waiting man says, "Yes, only once. But after that, we didn't have a touch of each other. And this is the day I am going to meet him. I came for him 1,000 miles away. And he is also worth for it, because he is a truest chap." The waiting man has taken a diamond watch from his bag. The picture of the watch also you can see. After saying that time is 3 minutes to 10, it is the exact time when we parted away. Then the policeman says, "Didn't the West treated you well?" "Yes, yes. West given me everything I wanted. Jimmy is a kind of man. He is like a blodder. Blodder means one who develops slowly and steadily progress. But I was not like that. I need to get sudden money. I want to get explore more things." The policeman, hearing all this, he twirled with his club and started moving. "Okay, I wish that your friend will return soon. Going to call time on him sharp?" The waiting man says, "No, no, I'll give him half an hour time. I'll wait here up to 10:30." And also says, "Jimmy is a truest friend. Suppose if he is alive in the earth, he will definitely come to this place." Then the policeman says, "Good night, sir." And he passed away from him. Thank you, students. We will meet in next class.